Assembly works at great heights. Heavydrive installs XXL panes at Bavaria Towers, a new and modern building ensemble in Munich. For doing this job, Heavydrive opts for its VSG 800KR vacuum suction system, which has especially been designed for fitting convex and concave curved panes. The panes, weighing up to 800 kilos, are integrated into an aluminum construction. Every glass element features a different size and bending radius. The VSG 800KR has been configured in such a way that the equipment can be adjusted to different pane sizes in no time. The system can be rotated seamlessly by 360 degrees and tilted by 90 degrees. This way, the pane can be positioned perfectly with effortless ease. The VSG 800KR is suitable for assembling panes measuring up to 5.5 by 2.6 meters. The equipment is mounted to a construction crane, which is safely operated by means of a 4-circuit system and driven by a 24-volt accumulator battery. All the panes on this floor of the building have to be fitted into the facade opening from outside. As soon as the pane is securely fixed in position, the operator simply removes the suction pads from the pane using remote control. Despite an operating height of 80 meters, the huge facade element has been mounted according to plan within a very short time. On the whole, Heavydrive has fitted about 110 glass panels into the various high-rises that are part of Bavaria Towers.